Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, children, in previous class we have completed singular plural forms and one textual exercise in companion 5b. Isn't it, children? Let's see the remaining textual exercises. Circle the nouns in the paragraph given below. Nouns in the sense naming words. Okay, we have to circle the nouns in this paragraph. Okay, children, let's see first. There is a hunter in a forest. Hunter. Okay, hunter is a noun and forest. Okay, his name is Damu. What is his name? His name is Damu. He is with his friend. Friend also name only no. Friend Shamu. He is with his friend Shamu. The forest is already completed. That's why again we are not circling. Okay. The forest is near Delhi. The forest is near Delhi. They are looking for an animal. They are looking for what? Animal to hunt. They see a rabbit and chase it. Okay, they see a rabbit. Rabbit is a name. Okay, chasing means it's an action. The rabbit hides behind a rock. Behind a rock. Okay, see how many names we have circled. How many nouns? Hunter, forest, Damu, friend, Shamu, Delhi, animal, rabbit, rock. Okay, total 9 words we have circled. Isn't it, children? Now see, in next page, Studio 77, what it's telling? Okay, see, write the plural forms of those nouns that have a plural. Okay, that means what you have to do? You have to write plural forms of nouns for the nouns. Okay, what I told, for proper noun we cannot write the plural forms. Only for common noun only we can write the plural forms. See here, hunter. Hunter is proper noun or common noun, children? Yes, common noun. That means we can write hunter as hunters as plural. Hunters. 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 Next word, forest. Forest is common or proper? Yes, common. That means we can write common noun, right? We can write the plural form for this. Forest. Forests. Okay? Hunters, forests. Next one, Damu. Damu is the name of a person. Okay? It is common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is proper noun. So, we cannot write the plural form for this. And next, friend. Friend is a common noun or proper noun? Tell me, children, friend is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, common noun only. Okay, that means we have to write the plural form for this. Let's write. Tell the spelling. Friends. 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 Okay. Next one. C. Shamu. Shamu is also a name of a person. This one also is not a common noun. Next, Delhi. Delhi is also a proper noun. And next, animal. Animal means common noun or proper noun? Yes, common noun. Then we can write the plural form for this. Animals. 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 Okay? Next. Animals to hunt. Next, they see a rabbit and chase it. Rabbit is a common noun. Right? Right, children. Rabbit. Rabbits. 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 Okay. Next, see. And chase it. The rabbit hides behind a rock. Rock is a common noun or a proper noun, children? Yes, common noun. Write plural form for this. ROCKS. Rocks. See, children, what we have wrote. Hunters, forests, friends, animals, rabbits, rocks. Okay, like these children. Okay, have you completed? Now let's see the companion activity 5C. Pick out nouns that do not take S in their plural form. Now take your companion, children, everyone. Page number 44, companion 5C. Read the words given below. Circle the common nouns. Circle the common nouns. Common nouns means in general we can give these names. Okay, that means commonly we can give these names. Okay, not so particular. Rahul. Rahul is a common noun? No. And book. Book is a common noun? Yes. Circle it. Next, pencil is a common noun or not? Yes. Circle. Hand. Hand is a common noun? Yes. Circle it. And Chennai is a common noun? No, it's not a common noun. Next, tub. Tub is a common noun or not? Yes, it's a common noun. Circle it. Bag. Bag is a common noun? Yes, it is a common noun. Cup. Cup is also a common noun. Geeta. Geeta is a common noun? No. And pen. Pen is a common noun? Yes. And bird. Bird is a common noun or not? Yes, children. See, book, pencil, hand, tub, bag, cup, pen, bird. All these are the common nouns. Then come down, children. Pick out the nouns that do not have a plural form. Write them in the space below. Okay, that means here these all are common nouns. Common nouns means they will also have plural form, isn't it? Remaining are proper nouns. Proper nouns will have plural form, children. No, it will not have. That means these nouns will not have the plural form. These nouns we have to write here in this space. Okay. Are you getting me? Circle చేసినవి కామన్ నౌన్స్. దట్ మీన్స్ వాటికి ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. సర్కిల్ చేయలేనివి ప్రాపర్ నౌన్స్. వాటికి ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్స్ ఉండవు. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్, రైట్ ద pick out some nouns which do not have the plural form. That means these proper nouns only. We have to write these here. Let's write Rahul. 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 Next, Chennai. Okay, Chennai. Chennai. And next, Geeta. 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 Okay, like this you have to write, children. Rahul, Chennai, Geeta are the proper nouns. These will not have the plural form, and these are common nouns which we circled. Okay children, complete both two exercises in companion and this one also. Okay, this is about today's English class children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.